Here is how to check if your soundbar is set to HDMI ARC or eARC. So for us to be able to check what is set to your soundbar is to make sure that the soundbar that you have on your television is turned on, as well as the HDMI are connected to your soundbar. Now for us to be able to check it, what we need to do is go to the settings option of your television. Under the all settings option, we will be able to see there the display and sound option. Now what you need to do is go to the display and sound option and click on the audio option, and then from the audio option go ahead and scroll down and you will see there the advanced settings. Now under the advanced settings, you will see at the very bottom the digital audio out. Now what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking to the digital audio out, you will see there how the output of the audio has been. And if you scroll down on the auto, you will see that it has been connected to ARC and eARC.